Class with me. My name is Ming, and we're going to look at this particular inquiry questions. How do I change a ratio to a percentage and vice versa? All right, let us get started. Here we have an example 1. 30 boys and 35 girls are on a camping trip, and here are the questions. You may want to give these questions a try before by pausing the video, and then when you're ready, check the answer again with this video. All right, so it's a ratio. So 30 boys to 35 girls. So here we have 30 to 35, and 30 is 5 times 6, 35 is 5 times 7. So I can simplify this into 6 over 7. B, write this as a fraction. So I put the first number as the numerator and the second number as denominator, like 6 over 7. As a decimal, then what I have to do is that take 6 divide by 7. Right, so take 6 and you divide this by 7. Let me redo this again. Over here like this. This is, we can see that 6 cannot really divide it by 7, so I have to add 0 here so that this becomes 60, and then I can put in here 8. 8 times 7 is 56, for example, and then so then 60 minus 56 is 40, and then after that I can have 5 times 7, which is 35. So 40 minus 35 is 50. And then 7 again, 7 times 7 is 49 with 1 remainder. And this, actually the process can go on for some time. So I could put it 10 here. And then this could be 1 times 7, for example, and 3, and then process can go on. So, or I can use my GDC. For example, I can use 6 divided by 7, for example, as I've done here. But you get a fraction. Then you need to change it into the decimal. To change it to the decimal, to get this answer, you simply go to Menu, go to Number, go to Convert to Decimal, and then press Enter. So you get 857143. So I got 4 digits of the answer. In the IB, when you go into diploma program, you need to put your answer exactly or to 3 significant figures only. So right now I can put it to 3 significant figure 0.857. So it's 3 SF, 3 significant figures. And then to write this as a decimal, so this is the decimal, and then with the decimal I can change it into a percentage by 0.857. I can multiply it by 100%, and that will give me 85.7%. So this is the answer. Right now, you may want to try this example 2 again. Example 2 with the same numbers, but the questions are different. So pause the video and attempt these questions, and once you're ready, press play to check your answers. All right, welcome back. So do you get the ratio right? Okay, the first thing to do is to add up the number of campers. So we have 65, and the boys as to the total is 30 to 65. You can simplify that or by factorizing 5 times 6, 5 times 13, and then take away the common factor. So I simplify to 5 to 13, and as a fraction, 5 as a numerator, 13 as the denominator, and then I can do the same process again, 50, long division. So put a 0 here because I added a 0 there. So now I have to think about, well, how many 13 will give me as close to 50 as possible? How about 3? So 3 times 3 is 9, 3, 1, 3. So this become 11 and 10, for example, and I can keep on the process, or you can use a GDC. So using a GDC, you simply going to write 5 divided by 13. So you're going to get this number, and then Menu change that to decimal, enter, So I get 0.384615. The fourth digit is a 6, more than 5. So to three significant figures, this is going to be 0.385, right? 384615. So to three significant figures is 0.385. So this is roughly, that is approximately 0.385 as a decimal. So as a percentage, we multiply this by 100% to get 38.5%. Did you get all of this right? Good, you did. Excellent. So by observing this pattern, can you explain a general rule for converting a ratio to a percentage? And then extend your knowledge, suggest a general rule for converting a percentage to a ratio. And to a ratio, sorry, not radio. And then validate your general rule of number 3 with at least two examples of your own. All right, very good. Have you got the rule yet? Well, actually the rule is written here, so I'm going to make it larger for you to see. Okay, here's it. The rule for converting ratio to a percentage is simply going to be this. All right, thank you. And if you want to know the answer for how to change it percentage to a ratio, watch the next video. Bye-bye.